Welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and it's the second Monday of July. I hope you had a great weekend and you are ready for your work week. So yes, I know you've been enjoying the Sprouting 101 series, and yes, we will continue, and today we will be doing an exciting vegetable or veggie, and for those of you there in America, it's one that is well known there in America. So yes, I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Medz. Keep watching as we will talk about arugula. Yes, arugula, that spicy veggie. Keep watching. Arugula. So we planted from this arugula these seeds, and this is actually the first fruit of what we've reaped, and this is the first veggie or the first veggie that we are reaping from or seeding. So yes, we're very excited. We're very excited about this, and so yeah, you definitely gotta check out these Sprouting 101 tips on arugula. These are some arugula seedlings that were planted about a week and a half in this video, and they are ready to be transplanted. Yes, you can use containers, and this is a coconut shell that is being used here, and it's time to get them out of it. So yes, you want to wet the soil before transplanting them. Always prepare the soil before transplanting, both soil that is that you're going to plant in, and also wet the plants, the seedlings, before you transplant them. You want to be gentle with them, as the root, they have deep roots and you don't want to break the roots. Arugula takes about 3 to 5 days to sprout. These were very fast sprouting arugula seeds. And these seeds, as you know, they came from Rebel Gardens. These were sprouted on the outside, but they were not directly in the sun. It's best if you can have a greenhouse to put them in, as they will have moderate sunshine and rain. Like many other cruciferous vegetables, arugula enjoys lots of water, especially when they're young. Don't overwater them, as they can rot easily. For continuous supply, you may sow seeds every 2 to 3 weeks. These arugula plants, they were planted with carrots, and so it's time for them to separate and be in their own containers. These are transplanted to this flower pot, and definitely you want to give it lots of water, especially immediately after you transplant them. When transplanting them, you'd like to give them a spacing of about 6 inches in between. You may not have the space to plant them 6 inches, but as you see, these ones survived. They survived in the same hole, and it is that it is possible that that can happen. So you can start reaping your arugulas when they're about 2 to 6 inches long. When they're young, they're more tasty and most tender. Don't let them go more than 40 to 50 days after transplanting them. According to healthline.com, arugula is low in sugar, calories, carbohydrates, and fat. It's high in several vital nutrients such as calcium, potassium, vitamins A, B, specifically folate, vitamin C, and also vitamin K. Yes, so it's great to clot your blood. It's a natural coumadin. These arugula suckers, they were in the same hole. They had about 3 of them in one hole, and so we decided that after cutting them we need to separate them. And when you're cutting them, you definitely want to leave some of the leaves on. That way it can continue to grow, can continue sprouting, and you can have more supply. Note, if you don't have a lot of space, you can use what you have. This is a 13-gallon bin that we have using, and I don't know if you remember those videos that we talked about creating space. So use what you have around you. You have no excuse to planting seeds. Yes, the arugula has very deep roots, so be careful when you are transplanting them. Yes, this is our first fruits from our garden, arugula. Can't wait to dig in it. Yes, I said dig. We made a salad with it, arugula, tomatoes, cabbage, and carrots, served with glazed dressing. Bon appetit! Don't bun up your teeth. Yes, I hope you enjoyed those sprouting tips. Sprouting 101. Yes, and arugula has a buttery, spicy flavor. And when I tasted it, so yes, I tasted it before because I am like, it is so good when you can plant your own herb or own stuff and eat from your own garden. Right, Jason? Yes. Jason from Rebel Gardens. Thank you so much. Yes, so this is the arugula. This is one stalk of the arugula, and yes, as you know, as we are enjoying the fruits of our own labor from planting, sprouting the seeds, planting it, watering it, watch it grow, and seeing God do the work through watering too, bringing water so we can water the plants, and the sunshine and the air, yes, the oxygen, and us giving it carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Likewise, we need to work. Paul said in Galatians that do not be weary. Do not be weary in well-doing. You know, it is good that we can plant and eat our own food and enjoy the fruits of our own labor and the benefits of it. So do not be weary in well-doing. You know, as Paul says, you will reap a harvest if you faint not, if you don't give up. So don't give up. I pray that you will have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. And yes, we'll definitely eat more of our own garden. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.